It's clean, notch back in the local post office parking lot. Clean. Getting into things today. And of course I've got everything put together here, so it's going to be difficult to see. That idler is good, rolling straight and smooth. This one, however, is definitely bent, and you can just tell it's got some issues there. Sounds bad, looks bad, it's probably bad. So investigating further, coming over here to my tensioner pulley, I actually cannot even turn that because it's contacting the back of the pulley bridge right here. You can kind of see. So now we're about to pull this tensioner off and try to get a new one.
Yeah, so hoping to go back together, and what, do you want to go for some sixes?
$6.99 will be great.
Yeah, it's a pretty wild setup.
3 10mm bolts holding on this tensioner.
Short built motor.
Ratchet. Try to get a part number on it and see if we can get something located locally. The top bolt is mount. A little bit more resistance than the other. It's been on this one now. Man, it looks the same. Awesome. I didn't record any of that. Yo. You too, man. Alright, so what I had to do is actually buy this tensioner at O'Reilly's, and I've got a parts number. It's Gates tensioner. It's identical to the tensioner off of the Cobra motor, aside from the pulley. This has a smooth, this obviously is the 8-rib. However, bolt's the same. The tensioner looks all identical. I'm going to swap pulleys over, bolt it up to the motor, and hopefully I have no interference on the pulley bridge. We'll get into that. Here is the O'Reilly's part number for anybody interested.
What's up? Oh, video watch this area.
Alright, so we got the pulley swapped onto the tensioner. Hopefully we can bolt this on. And everything will be fine and dandy. this gonna do the same thing, literally? Nah. No contact.
Is it videoing?
Oh.
Real water. Let me try it out, see if it still tastes good.
Hey son, do me a favor, hand me that pink socket right there.
Get it. That was good. Now first glass. Just like that, Bonnie. Just like this,
Alright, shutting it down Friday evening now. Didn't get as much done on the Terminator swap Project Cobra today as I'd like to. That's just the way it goes sometimes. You gotta take care of other business and do a bunch of running around town. Probably mostly my fault. Actually, parts guy charged me ×3 on one item. But let's just go over it. Got new tensioners. Well, we swapped tensioners. I returned a new one. Got a new idler, pulley. Got a new belt on supercharger. I probably didn't do anything else to the car at all today. Yeah, I think that's about it. Did some stuff on my Foxbody, keeping that. Man, my buddy, something fell through. It's just the way it goes sometimes. Kind of a blessing. I get to keep my Fox, which I'm not terribly unhappy about. So that's that. We're shutting it down. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good weekend or day or whatever it is when you're watching this. Later. Not even interested. How crazy. Doesn't even want to look over. Super clean Fox. Doesn't even care. What kind